Good morning, everybody. It's Tim here from the old number 7 garage. I got the legend Hammer and Henry with me this morning. And what we're going to do is see what the heck happened to the motor last night. We're going to pull the hood off and do some diagnosing, see how far we can get. And if it is not going to work for us, we can't get something going back in the corner there, we got our B-mod motor we'll put together. So ain't nothing to it but to do it. So first thing we're going to do here, we're going to get the key on and we're going to crank it up to see if it has fire.
Okay, let me stick that back on. We got fire here.
Got fire. You want me to try to start it?
That's what we're going to do, yeah, but let me.
Okay, well you'll have to man up the throttle.
Yeah, come in.
So we got fire, so we're going to man the throttle here. You got gas? Tell me you heard that.
It's on the top.
I hope it's a push rod or something.
Yeah, it's going to have a push rod.
Okay, well that was the noise I heard.
Yeah.
So you think it lost oil pressure?
Got a push rod off.
Okay, so Dad's thinking we got a push rod off, and I shut it off immediately because it was making a lot of racket. So what we're gonna do is pull this valve cover off, and I hope we see a push rod off of it. All right. And he said, don't lose the washers.
Them's all there. So,
Maybe the other side. That side checks out good. Miss one? No.
one washer just fell right down off, or nut just fell right off of that. Something.
All good. Oh, like down in the valley? Or down in the motor?
Right there, I need a magnet.
Okay. Those are all good. That's a magnetic end. Saved it. So what's your thoughts now? All of our push rods are good.
I'll bump it over a little bit and let's check and see if we got something in there loosened up that we can't actually see.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
Yeah. Again. Again. Again.
Cut bite that boy.
Again. 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 I'm gonna take that other one off.
How come it ain't making the noise now?
Huh?
How come it ain't making the noise now? You can't eat the car, boy. Everything checked out okay in there, so we're gonna stick these valve covers back on and continue our investigation. All right. What's all that racket?
Yeah, I can hear that, but I don't know where it's at.
And it's running terrible.
It's over here on this side.
Bad news, we got some major engine noise on the driver's side. It's valve train or it's something going on. Yeah, it's got something happening. So instead of just taking this one apart and getting it half apart, not having the parts we need, we're just going to pull it out, put our other motor in. Whew, it's getting hot here in the garage. We had to fire the old yellow bullet up. But what we got going so far, we got just about ready to pull the motor out. Got to pull some bell housing bolts. We got our B-mod motor drug out, and we'll get this out and back in a jiffy. Got the Pro Power 2.0 coming out.
Taking the part of some mighty clean exhaust.
Yeah, it was looking pretty good in there, wasn't it?
Yeah. I think we can pour it.
Yeah, looking good. setting the old B-mod motor in. There it went. So, through the magic of YouTube and television, look how easy that was to put in. So we've got the headers on it. All we gotta do is get the radiator in it, put water in it, it's got oil in it. We just gotta do a couple things. We're getting real close to firing this baby up. What time is it?
Barely one.
Barely one, he said. So, got my brother-in-law Gary over here helping us. It's definitely greatly appreciated. You ain't gotta throw that. our buddy Brian, he's out of town this weekend and he couldn't have picked a worse time. So dang you, Brian. No, it's all good. We're gonna get this in there and we'll see how she does tonight, alright? We got everything lined out and we just put some fuel in the carburetor. We're gonna fire it up and see if this samba gun runs. What do you think? Think it'll start up first time?
Never know.
Alright, here we go. Alright, first attempt. Everything good?
Hang on, let's see. Make sure that.
Oh yeah, we don't want to do that. Hang on, time out. Let's go for try number 2. We now have everything cleared, I guess. Let's look at it one more time. Anything gonna hit? Alright, here we go. First attempt to start it. Brand new, he said.
Yes,
Okay, let's try her again.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't need to spin that around.
Try it again.
Alright, here we are at the San Francisco County Raceway. We got our engine in and done. You can see in the background right there is my car. Got it running, warming it up. We're getting ready to do what they call hot laps. That lets you get your car warmed up to temperature and also test out your car, make sure it's handling like you need, and if you need to make any adjustments, then you can do so. Yeah, my bald head, I forgot my hat. So anyway, I'm gonna run my phone up to my mom because she does the videoing of live video on Facebook. So everybody that can't make it out to the track can watch. So that's what we're doing. Fun day here at the racetrack. So hopefully we do good. We drew a number 5 in our heat race, so that should put us on a front row heat race starting position. And I'm gonna give her all I got. Oh, look, Amanda's in the video. Guys, well, if you can see in the background, a little bit of rain, trailers put up. We're at home on a Saturday night about 8:45. What happened? They rained the races out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They did didn't rain. I think he's sweating today.
Oh yeah, it didn't rain. He's sweating. Yeah, it was pretty hot, wasn't it?
I'm full.
Did you eat? Did you eat?
I got Jack in the Box.
Oh,
Oh, you just hit me in the nose.
sorry.
I'm full.
I gotta say something. No, we're not buying yet. So, so we got our heat races in. We did finish first place in our heat. We had to work a little bit and do some passing, but we did it. It was a good accomplishment for us considering the considering the engine we had, because we were very down on power. Like I said, that was our B modified engine, so they were down a few hundred horse versus the A modified engines. Either way, we pulled it off, but Mother Nature claimed the victory tonight, rained us out. So everybody enjoy their evening. We're gonna sit out here, enjoy the rain, I guess, the best you can. It's not raining on us yet. You can see the porch is still dry. So we're gonna just hang out here and enjoy it a little bit. Then we're gonna head off to bed because it's been a long day. All right, guys. If you like what you're seeing, give the video a thumbs up. Any comments? Comment down below, of course, and consider subscribing to the channel if you like what you're seeing. All right, Tim here at Old Number 7 Garage, wishing you a happy weekend, and we'll see you next time.